Tell me a story where we all change, and we live our lives together, and that is strange. I didn't lose my mind, it was my hand to give away. Couldn't stay to watch me cry, you didn't have the time, so I softly slip away. No regrets, they don't work. No regrets now, they only hurt. Sing me a love song, drop me a line. Suppose it's just a point of view, but they tell me I'm doing fine. From the outside, we look good for each other. Felt things were going wrong when you didn't like my mother. I don't want to hate, but that's all you've left me with. A bitter taste and a fantasy of how we all could live. No regrets, they don't work. No regrets now, they only hurt. Just stop hating you. I feel sorry for us instead. Remember the photographs insane, the one where we all laughed so lame. We were having the time of our lives. Well, thank you, it was a real blast. Told me leave, I just wanted to stay. Every time you looked at me and every time you smiled, I felt so vacant, you treat me like a child. I love the way we used to laugh, I love the way we used to smile. Often I sit down and think of you for a while, and then it passes me by, I think of someone else instead. I guess the love we once had is officially dead.